guys, happy Wednesday, although you're watching this on Friday. I'm so excited because I showed you guys yesterday that my new printer came in. I'll insert the footage here. You guys, the new guy is here. Yay. So if you guys haven't been following me on Instagram, which if you haven't, I'm gonna pop it right up on the screen. You definitely should be. But I ended up having to get a new printer. My printer, unfortunately, just cannot seem to bounce back. James is still gonna look at it and see if maybe he can fix it somehow. And then I would just have two printers. But for right now, in order to just keep things moving smoothly in my shop and to keep me not so stressed out, we just went ahead and got a new one. So this is the exact same printer that I have. And I have had mine for almost 2 years at this point, and I have loved it, used it so much, and really have not had any major issues up until this point. But I'm thinking that it's just because it's old. In the printer world, it is old, and given that it does so much all the time every day, I think it's tired. So anyway, got the new one. I'm gonna unbox it, set it up, and we'll take it from there. So last night I printed a bunch of stuff, and now I'm gonna cut it today. Hopefully get most of the sale orders out today. That's my goal, but I feel like part of them are gonna have to go out tomorrow, but I'm gonna do my best to get as many as I can done today. So that's what we're doing. So I've made my coffee. I'm going to quickly make some breakfast, and then I'm gonna get started cutting stickers like all day. Okay guys, update on the new printer. It's printing beautifully, but I did have to change some of the settings on this printer versus this printer. And I wanted to chat about it for just 1 second because I think this is proof that you can buy the exact same printer as someone, the exact same cutting machine, the exact same everything, and your settings may not be the same as theirs. Which is kind of why I don't really go into my specific settings, because they are settings that I like and that work for me. But as proven by this new printer, they're not working on the new printer. So I've had to change my settings once again. Now, thankfully, I'm familiar enough with this printer that I kind of know when I need to adjust something, and you know, it's fine, it worked out. But it's just proof that, you know, my settings that I liked on my other printer, the exact same model and everything, don't work on this printer. So I thought that was interesting. I wanted to share it with you guys, because I know a lot of people are like, I want to know your specific settings. Like a lot of times I'll get, what are your cut settings for your silhouettes? Again, it's different based on each machine. They're so funny. Like, it's so funny how you would think the exact same model, the exact same thing should have the exact same settings, but that's just not the case. So anyway, I wanted to share that about my printer. Fun facts about the printer. But anyway, I have a bunch of stuff printed off, so I'm gonna start cutting, and then I'm also gonna go through and see what else I need to print. I did most of the matte stickers, I believe, so now I'm gonna be moving on to premium matte and then on to glossy. So that is the goal for today. Okay guys, I apologize for the machines cutting in the background. It is 12, almost 12:30. So I've been working for about 2.5 hours, I think, and I'm plowing through these orders, which is so nice. So I'm currently cutting, or I'm printing my machines are gonna be too loud. Hang on. So I'm currently printing all the glossy things, and then I'm gonna switch over to premium matte, which is the last thing that I have to print. But I feel like I'm gonna be able to get most of these orders done today, which is so exciting. And then whatever, I wanna at least get, I have 20 orders. So I got a bunch out on Friday when I was fighting with my printer, and I was showing you guys that I did get a bunch of orders out that day. I have about 20 left, and my goal is to get 15 of them done today. And I think I'm at like 10 or 11. Hang on, I'll count. I'm currently at 10. I'm about to finish up 11, 12, 13, 14. So yeah, I should have no problem getting at least 15 of them done today, because I'm at, like I said, I'm about to finish up number 11, and that's only 4 more orders. So my goal would be to get everything done, but if I don't get everything done, I at least want to get 15 of them done and then have 5 left to do tomorrow. So, whew, we are getting stuff done, but it is time to stop, take a break, eat some lunch, chill for a little bit, and then get back to it. And I think I'm gonna let this battery charge for a little bit and then come back when I'm actually packing everything. I don't package things as I finish them. I like finish stuff, gather them all together, and then I will go through and package everything at one time. So that's how my process works, is I print stuff and then I cut stuff. Well, I'll print stuff while I'm cutting stuff, but get everything done, everything bundled together, and then I will go in and package everything. So I'm gonna let the battery charge. I'm gonna keep working on these orders after lunch, and then I'm going to package everything up and show you guys that, because I know a lot of people really like that. So that's what we're gonna do. I got all but 3 orders done. I have everything printed for those orders. There's still a few things I need to cut. One of the orders is like completely done, but I have to put the cover on the sticker album. I couldn't think of what I'm trying to say. I have a headache now from like sitting here just doing this for like an hour and a half. But I got so many orders done today. I'm really, really proud of myself. I could continue working and try to get 2 more done, but I was just like, you know what? I will just wait and finish that tomorrow. So I'll probably vlog again tomorrow and then finish off this vlog tomorrow and then edit it and upload it for Friday. But I am going to show you guys, on all of my packages, I try to put this little sticker. It says Happy Meal from Sticky Situations Co. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I'm going to put all of these orders by the door, so that way later tonight James and I can drop them off at the post office, because they're definitely not going to fit in my mailbox. And yeah, I'm like very tired because it was just a full day of like printing and cutting and packaging, which I normally do other things throughout my day. It's not, normally I don't have days where I'm just like all I'm doing is printing and cutting. I do a lot of printing and cutting, don't get me wrong, but it's not like all day. But today was just like all day, and I'm very tired, so. Good morning, guys. Happy day 2 of this vlog. Today is Thursday. I need to edit and upload this vlog tonight. So, sorry I sound a little sniffly. I just had a sneezing fit. Gotta love allergies. Anyway, I need to finish up the last 2 orders from the sale. So I'm gonna be doing that in this vlog, and then I have to edit this vlog and upload it. So it's a busy day. I also need to clean the house because tomorrow we are taking the whole day off because James has that Friday off, or this Friday off. So I wanna not have to work. So we're gonna plow through our work and then we can just have a chill weekend, which sounds amazing. So I have printed all the orders, what's left of the orders, and I'm gonna be cutting them today and packaging them and taking you guys along with me for that. So I use these Swiffer pads to get the dust off of the premium mat. So that is what I'm doing. In case any of you were wondering, I'm just wiping the dust off the premium mat. You guys, we did it. I finished cutting all the stuff for the orders. So now I'm gonna package them up. I also wanna film a TikTok / reel / maybe YouTube shorts showing you guys me packaging an order. So I think I'm gonna do that also. So yeah, I'm really excited. I just have these 2 orders to package up. And then I think that I've already missed the mail person for today. So James and I'll take it to the box tonight. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so happy that we are officially done with TPC orders. Now I'm just going to go ahead, package up these orders, get it done. Let's do this. We did it! We are officially done with the TPC orders, and I'm so excited about it because 1, it was within the 1 to 2 week processing time. It was actually before the 1 week mark, which was exciting. Also, given all the stresses we had with the printer, I'm just relieved to be done with everything and ready to start prepping for the next big sale, which if you guys are not part of my Facebook group, you wouldn't know this. But the last Friday of the month, so May 28th, we are gonna be doing a big blowout sale. So my shop anniversary is May 15th, so when this video goes up, it's going up on the 14th, so tomorrow. So on Saturday, it is the 6th anniversary of opening my shop. Now, I just did a big sale, so I don't want to do a big sale this weekend when I just did one last weekend. I like to space them out. But at the end of the month, on the 29th, it is my 32nd birthday. So I like to combine those two since every year they're both in May, and I just like to combine them to do one big sale. So we are doing one big sale at the end of the month, starting on the 28th, going through Memorial Day. So that's what's up. Also, fun fact, the year that I was born, it was the 29th was actually on Memorial Day. So I'm a Memorial Day baby. Anyway, we are doing a big sale for that, so now I can just like have a little bit of a breather and then prep for that. And yeah, very excited about it. Very happy that the new printer thing worked out. We got that covered. thank goodness. So I think that I'm going to wrap up this video because it is time to edit it so I can get it up tomorrow. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me. Leave a comment on anything, like tell me how your day is, how's your life going. Let me know in the comments below, because comments really help boost my videos and they really help my channel grow. So if you don't mind, take the time to leave just a quick comment just saying hi, how are you? Let me know how your day is going when you're watching this. Leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't already. Join our family. I make videos every single week about being a small business owner, so definitely join. Click that subscribe button and that bell notification, and I will catch you guys next week for a brand new video. Bye guys.